Put it down. Push down on the back while I pull up on the front. That would have sucked. All right. All right, so for the front wheel, we're gonna need a 6mm hex for the pinch bolts. Just had to get this on Amazon, ordered it yesterday, came in today. It's like a universal, has 19, 24, 22, 17, and some other adapters that go on the side. And it goes right in there. So instead of trying to use a 3/8 in the middle there, so we're gonna get a 19. It's gonna go over that end, so that way we can get more leverage. Because I did see if you're using a 3/8, I've seen people break these because there's too much stress. This really should be a half. So a 19 with a half should work. And then we need 12mm for the caliper bolts. And the wheel should come off. And Bob's your uncle. All right, so let's get started. So we're gonna take our 6, break these loose. Some play in them. Take our 19, our 22, along with our breaker bar. And righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. There we go. All right, we're just gonna loosen it since the bike's still on the ground. Caliper bolts. All right, so we can go ahead and take the caliper off. Doesn't need to be off the ground for that. No difference between the bolts. All right, slide it up and out. Pads look great. All right, same thing over here. Okay, so we do have a sensor here, ABS sensor. I don't think we need to take it off. There's a gap. It's not touching the rotor. So if you feel like you need to take it off, take it off. We're not going to do it right now. All right, here comes the triple tree lifter upper. All right, everything looks good. Good for takeoff. Go. Up we go. All right. So now we can pull the front axle out. Like we're getting close. All right. Very small amount of lube on the, not much though. This side we have spacer. On the right side, another spacer. They all should be the same. Pulling the wheel out. Ooh, that feels weird. Tread is definitely a little on the weird side. Let out the air. Tire is definitely funky. Alright, so we got to pull the valve core. Oh, hold on now. Let's not get confused on which way this is going. I mean, does it matter? Oh, the tone ring is the tone ring for the ABS. It's gonna be left side. All right, all the air is out. Put it down. Put our center. Okay. We need to break the bead. Let's try it. Flip her over. Yeah, need to drop it down. Now we got the bead broke. We need some lube. Gonna put our rim protector on. Need our duck head. Little thingy to keep our wheels from turning. Our pry bar. Push down on the back while we pull up on the front. Now, there we go. Got to use our legs though. Okay. Gonna take that out. Bars in the way. There we go. Ah, look at the difference. You all see that? Look how nice and rounded that is. Like flat and wide. Very, very worn. That's the left side. So that's going to turn counterclockwise. And do it like that. All right. Let's make sure, double check one more time. Counterclockwise. Oh no, valve stem. Come on. Come on, fam. That would have sucked. All right. I'll pull that right out. There we go. So we want it sticking out the right side. There we go. All right, wheels all lubed up, right? All right. Try and get our dot near our valve stem for now. Get our duck head. All right, so we're gonna grab it right here at the duck head, get it up, give her a twist. Get our bead hold down tools. Okay. Put our second hold down in. Raise the bar out to the front. Pull that out. Pull that out. Push that out. Loosen this. Okay. Give it a little bounce. Put the valve core back in. Let's set her to 36. Now let's check it for leaks at the valve stem. Spray a little soap on it. All right, no leaks, which is great. So now we're gonna balance her up. All right, we got a weight on there we need to take off. All right, plastic chisel and a hammer. So what we're gonna do now is clean the wheel. We got it mounted up on the table. So we're going to let it kind of settle down. Get our masking tape. I'm going to put 1/2 ounce. And we're going to put it right up here at the top. Just to see what 1/2 ounce will do. Did I get it the first time? Half an ounce. Right in that spot. All right. So now, most important part is to go get a beer and celebrate. No. So what we're going to do, we got to put some alcohol. And we're going to clean this spot. Because we want this to stick very good. Here's one. This is where I'm putting it. I got them turned sideways to this little ledge. Beautiful. Let's get her down. Now we're just going to set it in there for now. And we got to do some little greasing. So we got our bushings here on the side. We're going to clean off some of this old grease. We're going to take our synthetic high temp bearing grease. Just going to put a little bit. That's a little too much. All right, so just a little bit. And this side, same thing. And put this back in. We're going to take our axle. There's really nothing on it. It's kind of dry. All right, so we're going to just do a light coat. The back wheel, we stuck a piece of board underneath it. All right. Just using my foot. Give it a little twist action. All right, making sure the wheel's going the right way. All right, that's hand tight. Good. Go ahead and put the calipers back on. All right. Got to kind of finagle them in there. So we're not going to tighten them all the way down. We're just going to kind of get them close. Back them off a little bit. And I don't know if this is a old wives' tale or the way these are mounted. Pulling the brakes and spinning it, and I don't know, it's supposed to center the rotors. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and torque this. So what we need to do is we need to torque this. Once that's been torqued, we can spin the wheel, hit the brakes, tighten up the calipers, and then we're going to set it down, bounce it a few times, and then tighten the pinch bolts. 95. All right, 26 pounds for the caliper bolts. We're going to pump up our front brake. So we got a good brake. All right, holding the brake lever. I'm going to torque these to 26. Keep holding it to the right side. All right, now we're going to let the front end down, and we're going to bounce it before we tighten the pinch bolts. And the pinch bolts are 15. So there we go. Front tire's been changed out, torqued. We used our new tire machine. Back tire was changed out, torqued, and cleaned the chain. So the new tire machine, what do I think? It's okay. It doesn't fit quite right. It's a lot of play in it. It's kind of hard to hold it still. I mean, it's okay. I mean, for 200 bucks, and it literally only took me 10 minutes of tire to change. It's okay. It's worth the hassle. So, if anybody else has any comments, leave a comment below, like and subscribe, and love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video.